How to create board folders in monday.com. So the first step is by opening your web browser such as Chrome, and then make sure to type in or go to monday.com. Once you have done that, you should click on this plus button right here found on the left pane. So click on that plus icon and go to new folder found on the last part of that section. So click on new folder and then you may type in the folder name that you want. Okay, so once you have done that, you may now drag the boards that you want to be included on those folder. So if you want to hide the content of this folder, what I would suggest is to click on this arrow found on the leftmost part of that folder. So as you can see now, you may hide or unhide the boards in that folder. So this is very useful to organize your boards. You may also click on the three dots. You may rename the folder, change the color, create an in folder and then move, collapse all folder, or you may also delete the folder. So that's it. That's how you can create board folders in monday.com.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.